This question belongs to data structure subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2020. So the question states, let G equals to V comma E be directed weighted graph with weight function W defined from E to R, which means each edge is a real value weight. For some function f from V to R for an edge U comma V belonging to E, define W dash UV as WUV plus FU minus FV. Suppose we have a graph like this. So this is a graph G. It has vertices V1, V2, V3 and suppose V4 and V5, and it has V6, V7 and V8. This is V5 only. And let us suppose it has edge weights E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7. So see, here it is given. It is directed weighted graph. Let us suppose it is directed and it is weighted as we have weight of each edge. Okay. With weight function W from E to R. So these EIs are all real values. For some function f V to R, which means this vertex is mapped to a real value, such that for each edge UV belonging to E, suppose E1 is an edge, then we define its new weight as, so its new weight is defined as its old weight, which is E1 plus FU minus FV. So it goes from V1 to V2. So it is V1 minus V2. V1 minus V2. Okay, let me use a different color for this. So it is E1 plus V1 minus V2. What is E2 new value? It's E2 plus V2 minus V3. E3 is E3 plus V3 minus V4. E4 is E4 plus V4 minus V5. E5 is E5 plus V1 minus V6. E6 is E6 plus V6 minus V7. E7 is E7 plus V7 minus V5. Now it is given, which of the following options completes the following sentence so that it is true? The shortest path in G under W, shortest path under W2 dash R, which means under W and W2 dash shortest path R. Which means if we have a shortest path in W and W dash, then they are equal for, so shortest path in G under W R, shortest path under W dash 2. For every V belonging to R, if and only for all U belonging to V, FU is positive. If and only for all U belonging to V, FU is negative. If and only if FU is the distance from S to U in the graph obtained by adding a new vertex S to G and edges of zero weight from S to every other vertex of G. See here, this question has answer as option A. Why? I will show you. Suppose initially we had V1 to V5 shortest path using vertices V2, V3 and V4. So what was the weight? It was V1, V2, E1 plus V2, V3, E2 plus V3, V4, E3 plus V4, V5 which is E4. Now what is the new weight? So new weight between these two vertices. So it was one of the path. So it has cost 1 and another path was E5 using this one. V1 to V5 using V6 and V7. So its cost was C2 was E5 plus E6 plus E7. Now what is our modified C1? So modified C1 will be E1 plus V1 minus V2 plus E2 plus V2 minus V3 plus E3 plus V3 minus V4 plus E4 plus V4 minus V5. We have just added the new weights. This is our C1 dash. So this, you can see this V2 V2 cancels out, V3 V3 cancels out, V4 V4 cancels out. So it is equals to E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus E4 plus V1 minus V5. So it is equals to C1 dash plus V1 minus V5. Not C1 dash, C1 plus V1 minus V5. Okay, and what is our C2 dash? C2 dash equals to E5 plus E6 plus E7. So its new weight is E5 plus V1 minus V6 plus E6 plus V6 minus V7 plus E7 plus V7 minus V5. So this V7 V7 cancels out, V6 V6 cancels out. So C2 dash equals to E5 plus E6 plus E7 plus V1 minus V5. It is equals to C2 plus V1 minus V5. Let me now erase the redundant stubs. Let me erase this. Okay. Let me also erase this one and this one. Okay. So now you can see what is C1 dash. C1 dash is C1 plus V1 minus V5. What is C2 dash? C2 dash is C2 plus V1 minus V5. These both are same, which means they will be compared based on C1 and C2 only, and initially C1 was less. So in W, C1 was less, so we had a shortest path from V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Okay. Now here also C2 dash will be less because C1 is less than C2. See here, in C1 dash and C2 dash, C1 dash will be less because C1 is less than C2, and these are same in both. So C2 dash will be less. So path will be same. In W dash also we will have same path, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. So whatever may be the vertex, the path will always remain the same because other values will get cancelled out. Middle will cancel out. This V3 will cancel, V4 will cancel, V2 will cancel, and V1 and V5 will be common in both because here V7 will cancel, V1 and V5 is common. And initially this upper was less, so after this new weight adjustment, upper path will be less. So answer is for every vertex, for every F mapping from V to R.